Today we will learn Chinese characters.
年
Watch my pronunciation.
年 n i an 年年新年新年我们迎接新年我们迎接新年今年今年今年我开始学习汉字。今年我开始学习汉字。年级年级我上大学一年级我上大学一年级
Let's learn how to write together with me. This character originally meant ripe crops, harvest. Ancient Chinese people called the cycle of grain ripening a year. Later, it gradually became a unit of time and also the most important festival in China, the Spring Festival. For Chinese people, celebrating the New Year is not just about bidding farewell to the old and welcoming the new. It is also a symbol of reunion, gratitude, and hope. This middle stroke is the main stroke and should be written straight. This stroke must be written long. Practice more and you will learn it well. That's all for today.